The state once surrounded by water bodies is vanishing day by day. Water scarcity is a reality for people of Manipur. Incessant felling of trees resulting in barren mountains is one of the major factors of global warming. Dried up rivers, receding water table and vanishing wetlands are all contributing to the problem of water scarcity in the state. Major rivers of the state, Iril, Imphal and Kongba River were once the water source for people living in and around Imphal area. However, due to receding rainfall and the drought-like situation has led to failure of many water supply schemes.
Irin mungda turen ising kang badagi laikai supply ngamdre VIP supply ngamdre tanker pidre.
Currently, drought-like situation is seen in Singda Dam Reservoir, which was never seen before. The dam has a capacity to hold 8.51 million cubic meter volume of water. Right now, Singda Dam has only 0.4 million cubic meter of water. The volume of water at the dam is at its lowest point compared to previous years. As of now, the reservoir has water level at just 4 meters. To put it in simple words, the reservoir has water for just 20 days. Section Officer of Irrigation and Flood Control Department IFCD, Konthauzam Tomba, speaking exclusively to Impact News said, if the monsoon does not arrive on time, then there will be a major shortage of drinking water and irrigation water.
Hujik ladies, a quick some have the 0.43 million cubic meter. And I did here later. Lady Vishing Shimamang Sigi the 10 meter down, and the China, and the she's got the Maitare, the main lay, Hujiki. Masia Soxen, but the Hunter Kizina quite a gay canoe, quite a drought Haitare. The people the lady, I do Kaidu work on high, but I got the Ishing she lacked the Adi Casement area, Adi Matak labor, watching the Ayamba Mangsalapa, Simama Maram, you know, I can in a country. Particularly, including a kind of 1 meter water cushion Kaitoga, maximum 20 days. Gumba, a kind of Saliba, Sangja, the might people on Guinea, Shingi. Irrigation gidi koi mamang saida jun dagi piba ho ne do hantak nong tadra ka di kitang thengda ga to male.
Many experts have predicted that in future the war will be fought over water. The dried up river and water reservoir is visible to all of us. The question is, what are we going to do about the problem? What steps will the authorities take up to solve the water crisis? With camera person Namerapam Bishojit and Bhakta Tarambam, then Shubham Sangeeta, Impact News.